Hey, Jody Walters here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're on a brand new 2020 Harris 23-foot cruiser. And I mean brand new because, as you see, it does not have the bimini that comes with it, which is a double bimini. Like I said, it's fresh off the truck, still being prepped and ready. We can have it ready for you by this weekend though. Starting at the bow, it's got really beautiful black onyx colored fencing, corrugated fencing. Corrugated fencing gives you more strength. All Harris's on their entry doors have this extra long brace, 400 pounds of force. Take a wave wrong, or kid running through here and actually hit it, and you're not going to go through that door. Another great feature with the Harris's is all the cushions are hinged. They also have modular tubular cans that for the seats that channel water underneath it, so whatever you put in here stays dry. You put your purse, your beach bag, beach towels, things of that nature, so they stay dry as you're bringing water into the boat from playing on out. Like I said, even going down the road, you don't have to worry about your cushions blowing off. It comes with an optional trailer if you need it. We can fix you up there. If we move back, we also have got a deep fender locker, deep enough for your skis, wakeboards, storage underneath the helm. Nice windshield. This boat is actually equipped with the double captain's chairs, which is a really hot feature. You have digital controls, and one great thing about the digital controls is it has a docking mode. So as you're coming into the dock, that's when things usually happen. You can put it in docking mode. If you were to accidentally bump it up full throttle, you're going to stay at low RPM. You don't have to worry about the boat launching. It just gives you a lot more control as you're docking. Because like I said, when things happen, it happens at the dock. It comes with your Bluetooth Fusion stereo with speakers all throughout the boat. Comes with a 5-inch SIM-RAD, which is also, it's your GPS chart plotter and fish finder if you wanted to fish off the side. This boat's also equipped with the colored LED lights with your cup holders and the mood lights underneath the seats that'll change colors. We try to equip these boats out to get it as basic as possible with the most features. Really nice teak flooring. Good grip, don't have to worry about any slippage. You come back again, the doors, all doors have the bracing on it. It's powered by the 200 Mercury 4-stroke, super quiet, 40 gallons of fuel, a full day of fun and excitement. Come see me at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm Jody Walters, 850-708-1317. We'll get you on the water and get you having fun. It's here in November. Weather's still beautiful. Come on, let's go boat riding.